Okay, decided to pick my potatoes today. I wanted to make use of the soil. I want to get a second crop of corn in here. So I picked some Yukon Golds. I was pretty shocked. The very first potato was pretty big. I see one I missed here on a red potato. So I'm picking the Norlands, red Norlands, and some Yukon Golds, and up at the far end I got some russets. So I thought you guys might like to see. It's kind of like Christmas. I've been just using my fingers so I don't scar them up too bad. And here we go. I only, the bed's 48 inches wide, so I come out a foot and put a plant, a second foot, and then a third foot. So there was 3 plants across, 3 potatoes I buried in the ground. And the method I tried this year was no till, no hilling up. Just plant them and forget them. So there was very, very little work. And as you can see, this one's done. Nice and sitting right on the surface here, pretty close. Beautiful potatoes. So I'm going to plant a second crop here, but the second crop's going to be of look at the worms in here. Just the second crop's going to be corn. I got a variety that it's like 74 days or 72 days. I'll check the label again, but I got time for. I'm here in the southeast coast of Connecticut, Groton, Connecticut, and we have a long enough growing season, in my opinion, to get 2 crops of corn in. So I got a little bit of compost left, so I'll top dress this with the compost before I plant my seeds. And chickens would like to be in here. There's a lot of goodness for the chickens. There's one. But I've been pleasantly surprised with the number of potatoes I'm getting. There's a beauty. There's a potato bug. Gone. That's my method of dealing with bugs. I feed them to the chickens or I crush them. Sorry, buddy, you can go back there. Let's go over here and pull a fresh plant. Kind of like Christmas, opening up packages, not knowing what you're getting. Ugh. I got these vines that grow in here that kind of like a wild morning glory or something. And they're very aggressive. And this is the last 3 plants, I believe. Nope, this is the russets here. So that's starting the russets. So Let me finish off any of the reds and get another basket for the next ones. I can come back and double check, and this will all go right into the composter, into the chickens. We're not sure. Let's start on the russet. I see some sticking out of the ground here, so. That's the original plant. Chicken feed. There's one down deep. Get rid of these vines. Just when you think you got everything planted and your work's done, comes harvest time. But at today's prices at the store, this is save you a few bucks and a little bit of gas driving there. And all I do is just throw grass clippings around them. I don't hill them up. Just throw grass clippings. I started seeing lots of potatoes popping out of the ground, and they get sun scalded and get green on them, and that's not, you don't eat them then. So I figured it was time, and I'm looking at a second crop of something else in this spot to make better use, because my first crop of corn is only a half a row, and I think I'll be picking that any day now. It's 8.5 feet tall. So, and my onions are about ready to go. So, pick green beans today. We'll be canning those tonight. Just really having a banner year with everything in the garden this year. So. With the economy the way it is, I think I planted a little extra, so we have enough to can. I got the seed potatoes at Tractor Supply. They had, I think, 4 different varieties. And we didn't get the purple ones because the missus said she preferred these. She wanted the Yukon Golds and the Russets, and I said, well, I like the red Nolans, so let's plant the 3, but I got a bag of each. And we took up a row in the garden. And like I say, the nice part is I can get a second crop in the same space, because when they come, it's, like I say again, 3 across, and look, just beautiful. These are just, I thought they'd be bigger at this end because they get more water. The ground at the raised bed at that end tends to dry them out more. But being cognizant of that, I try to, if I do water, when I do water, I try to get that end a little more. Just my wife and I, so we're going to have plenty of potatoes. Maybe I'll put it with them clam chowder I just had. This is the original plant, original potato. I don't think there's any more there. Let's tackle this plant. Just beauties. Gotta love it. Hey, ladybug. You can see the grass clippings here, they just go right back into the soil. She don't want to come off. That's a beauty. And these didn't go very deep at all. So, that tote gets hard to move. It gets heavier. I think that's it. There's one. So, in summary, that's our potato crop for the year. For 2 of us, that should last us. Here's some more. I better double check what I've been picking up. That looks like the main potato that came out that I planted, so that's coming out. I'll take a rake and go through this. I gotta smooth it off anyway. I may find some more, but that's it for my potato update. And a little winded, so blend it right here. Maybe I'll come back with I'm planting the second crop of corn later today. New channel here, so like and subscribe if you want to see more like this.